What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff and you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Do check out my other videos, basically just discussion channel, guys, and we are planning on getting a project car. It'd be dope if you want to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and comment below. I do read all your comments and reply as well. On today's quick episode, we're just going to be covering Iscream vlogs, basically exposing that Vehilce Virgin's house was sold. So we're just going to react to that. And also, guys, if you want to hit me up on my Instagram, send me stories or links or videos you want me to check out, and my DMs are always open. If you want to come on for a podcast, you can let me know as well. And just before we jump into the video, guys, for all my regular viewers and commenters, I finally bought some wrapping tools off Amazon. I got a kit and I bought some cheap Chinese wrap off AliExpress. I got satin red chrome, black chrome and carbon fiber. So I only got small rolls. I just want to mess around with it just to see how I go. When it gets here, I might make 1 or 2 videos of me just, trying to wrap a few interior bits on the car. I just want to slowly get into it. Now I know, guys, Chinese wrap isn't the one to be starting on, but I just wanted some cheap wrap just to kind of get a feel for things, kind of mess around with stuff and just see how it goes. So, as we go along, I might, if you want me to make a video about me wrapping interior stuff with the cheap Chinese wrap for a first time person that's never wrapped before, I'll make you that video. Let me know in the comments below. So let's jump into today's video again, guys. So never knew this had happened. Iscream vlogs, great video. I really like this guy's channel. It's just straight up facts with Iscream vlogs. That's why I watch his channel so much and why I like it so much. And I never knew that his Vehilce Virgin's home, it sold for 2.6 million. Now it does tie into why 1 or 2 people messaged me on Instagram saying, I made a video 2 months ago, 3 months ago. This actually ties in with when the neighbors were saying that his cars were being repossessed. What I think was happening here was, with Iscream did great coverage on it and found the house was sold around 3 months ago for 2.6 million. And people were saying to me his cars are being repossessed. I think what was happening is he sold the house and he was getting his cars transported out, and it looked like they probably didn't know his house was sold, and he was transporting his cars out of the house. Now, what do I feel like, or what do I think about this, or what's going to happen with Vehilce Virgins and what he's been doing recently with his channel? But before I do, guys, what do you think is going to happen with his channel? Are you still watching him? What do you think of his most recent videos and stuff like that? I've said it, I think I've said this in every Vehilce Virgins videos that I've done so far. The problem with Vehilce Virgins is his views are down really low, and reviewing cars for him is all well and good, but he only gets views when he's gone away buying a new car, he's modifying a car, or basically he's doing a collab. Now, he hasn't really done any of these things. His videos feel like, for me, it feels like he is basically starting all over again with the channel and trying to build it back up with views, but the damage has already been done. And as Iscream vlogs, I said, he doesn't think he's going to recover from it. And for me personally, I said it when he redid the channel and came back on, apologizing and all that kind of stuff. If he didn't start doing project cars and doesn't get those collabs in, he's going to fail. That's just my own personal opinion. I feel right now, the way he's going, doing the reviews and stuff like that, it's getting him nowhere. I watched the video with his sister that he did, and they're all well and good and fun, but unless you start buying cars and modifying them and getting collabs with other YouTubers, I mean, his channel is dead in the water. Fuck me, what else is he gonna have to do? I mean, I don't think anybody's bothered with him anymore. He needs to get he needs to get back vlogging, he needs to get back project cars, and he needs to get back collabs. If he doesn't start doing them very, very soon, I mean this year, his channel's dead, and his sister's his sister being on the channel isn't going to save him. So I want to hear from you guys. What do you think is going to happen with Vehilce Virgins? It's not looking too good for him. He did make a video. His most recent video was how to pass your driving test. I think he's going to start making more videos because now he looks like he's got more time. He's going to concentrate more on the channel. But for me, until he starts doing vlogging, project cars and collabs, his channel is just going to stay dead and it's not going to go anywhere. But we'll have to wait and see, guys. It was a really good video by Iscream Vlogs. Highly recommend go out your check out his channel, link in the description below. Very good at exposing these kind of things and finding this out, and that's how I'm reacting to it. So, and again, if he's watching, thanks for the shout out as well on your channel. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's quick video. Again, do comment below, let me know what you think of this, and yeah, do smash the subscribe button if you're new, and to all my new subscribers that have smashed the subscribe button, thanks a million, you're fucking legends. And yeah, guys, oh yeah, family have moved into the house. My sister's moved into her house. My uploads will be a bit slow, but I will try and get one out tomorrow. If not, it will be Monday. So until then, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.